Welcome to our channel. In this guide, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process of linking your credit card to PayPal, allowing you to effortlessly make online purchases and manage your transactions. Let's get started. Step 1. Log into your PayPal account. First, go to the PayPal website or open the PayPal app on your mobile device. Enter your email and password to log into your account. Step 2. Access your wallet. Once logged in, navigate to the Wallet section. You can find this option at the top of the screen on the website or in the menu on the app. Step 3. Add a credit card. In the Wallet section, look for the Link a Card or Add a Credit Card option. Click on this to proceed. Step 4. Enter card information. Now, you'll need to fill in your credit card details. This includes the card number, expiration date, CVV, the 3-digit security code on the back of your card, and billing address associated with the card. Step 5. Choose your card type. After entering your card information, select the type of credit card you are adding: Visa, MasterCard, American Express, etc. Step 6. Save your card. Once you've filled in all the required information, click Save or Link Card. Your credit card will be added to your PayPal account. Step 7. Verification, if required. In some cases, PayPal may require you to confirm your credit card. They may charge a small amount to your card that you will need to verify. Check your bank statement for the amount, and follow the instructions on the PayPal website to complete the verification. Step 8. Set your card as primary, optional. If you want to make your new credit card the primary payment method for your PayPal transactions, go back to the Wallet section, select your card, and choose the option to make it your primary card. Conclusion. Linking your credit card to PayPal is a quick and straightforward process that enhances your online shopping experience. By following these simple steps, you can easily manage your payments and enjoy the convenience of PayPal. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up.